Hello everyone, this is Vaishali Sarde, Assistant Professor in Computer Application, Government JY Chhattisgarh College, Raipur. I am presenting the topic Accessing Data Using Server Explorer and Displaying in Data Grid. This topic has been selected from the paper Programming in VB.NET of PGDCA 2nd Sem, in which Unit 5 Database Programming with ADO.NET covers this topic. In this topic, we will learn how to connect with the database using Server Explorer and how to display this data in the data grid. So front end that we have used is VB.NET and backend is MS Access. That means we have to create database using MS Access. There we will design database with different tables, and we will display this data using VB.NET as a front end. The technology that has been used for this purpose is ADO.NET, that is ActiveX Data Object.NET technology is used using VB.NET. Now starting with how to create table using MS Access. So first of all, open the software MS Access. From there you design the database. First of all, click on the new. From there, blank database. You specify the path where you want to create the table. Select your path. Then click on OK. After that, click on create. This will create a new table. You can see left side there is a table with the name table 1. You just have to insert fields in this table. For that purpose, click on click to add button. You will provide the field name from there, and the option to select the data type will also come there. You just choose the data type. We are creating the one table related with the student information, where the fields are student roll number, student name, and student marks. Student roll number and marks are numeric type, where a student name is actually the string type of field. You have to insert data as I am showing here. Randomly आप जैसा चाहे वैसा डेटा लिख सकते हैं, और जितनी चाहे उतनी रोज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. I am going to create 5 rows here. You can create as many rows as you want, and any type of any kind of table as you want. जैसा भी टेबल आपको चाहिए आप ऐसा डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से. और एक बार टेबल क्रिएट करने के बाद हमको टेबल सेव करना होगा. यहाँ पे मैं रैंडम डेटा इंसर्ट करते जा रही हूँ. तो टेबल को सेव करने के लिए आप देख सकते हैं कि टेबल 1 ऑप्शन जो येलो कलर से हाईलाइटेड है, वहाँ पे आप राइट क्लिक करेंगे और सेव बटन आएगी. ये मैं आपको अभी दिखाऊंगी. और सेव बटन पे क्लिक करते ही आपको टेबल का नाम पूछेगा. आप टेबल का नाम इंसर्ट कर दीजिएगा तो टेबल क्रिएट हो जाएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट 5 rows हियर. 1 more row I will insert. So these are the 5 rows that I have created. Now click on the table 1 option. Right click on the table 1 option. You will see the save button. From there you just specify the name of table as you want. Then click on the OK button. Okay, the table has been created. Now you can minimize the MS Access software. Now we have to go towards Visual Studio 12. I have used Visual Studio 12. Now you have to create one new project. For that purpose click on New Project. New Project पे create करते ही एक window आएगा. You just have to wait for some time. This window has come and option Windows Form Application is given there. You just click on that and click on OK. This will create a new project with Windows Form Application. It will take some time, so just wait for few minutes, few seconds actually. So this form has come. Now you can see the Server Explorer in the bottom of this window, and you can also find out Server Explorer from view menu. From view menu you can choose Server Explorer. Now Server Explorer will come at the left side of your window. लेफ्ट साइड में आ जाएगा, वहाँ से आप कनेक्ट टू डेटाबेस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे. जैसे ही आप ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे एक विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे आपको डेटा सोर्स स्पेसिफाई करना है, तो चेंज पे क्लिक करिएगा. काफ़ी सारे डेटा सोर्सेज वहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. ODBC डेटा सोर्सेज है, SQL सर्वर है. आप सिर्फ MS एक्सेस डेटा सोर्स पे क्लिक करिएगा. उसके बाद ब्राउज़ बटन पे क्लिक करके आपको वो डेटाबेस फाइल लानी है जिसको आपको कनेक्ट करना है. सो यू हैव टू connect with the database file that you have designed. So open that file. Because this file is already in use, we have to close that file first. So just close that file because this file is already open. So just close that file if it is open, otherwise there is no need. Then open this file, then click on the test connection. After text connection succeeded, you just click on OK button. Okay, now the name of databases have come here if there are more than one database you have connected. So we just have to click on the database that we want to connect. हमने यहाँ पे database पे क्लिक किया है. उसके बाद आप क्लिक करिए tables पे. You just click on tables, and from there you will get the name of table that you want to connect. If you will click on the table, then you will get the fields that you have created at the time of designing of table. After that you have to go to toolbox. Now you have to put data grid in the form. So first of all choose the data option from the toolbox menu, and then click on data grid view and insert that control into the form. From change data source option, then add project data source option. The database option will come. You just click on next. Data set will come, then click on next. Here the name of database that you have designed will come. If it is not available, click on the combo box. You will see your database and select that particular database. Then click on next button. Okay, no option, click on no option. You have to save the connection string, so just click on next button. Okay, now the names of tables will come. So just click on the name of table, you will get all the field. Then you will click on the table name, all the fields will be selected. Then click on finish. जैसे ही आप फिनिश पे क्लिक करेंगे, आफ्टर सम टाइम all the fields will come on the data grid view. You just resize the form so that you can see all the fields of database table. Okay, you can see all the fields now. So just run your project. It will take some time. Wait for that seconds. This is what data from database is coming. From the table all the data is coming. In this way you can see the data, you can access the data from the database using SQL server, and we have displayed that data on the data grid. It is actually a control in which we can insert the data. We can see the data in the form of rows and columns.